Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and today's video is going to be on the May Bargain Bead Box. Yes, it has arrived. So you can see for May, the month's theme is May Flowers. Okay, and it comes in this pretty golden yellow organza bag here, which I've already taken everything out, lined it up so we can, just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to read you about what's in the bag. So this month's theme is called May Flowers. It's a collection that celebrates the beauty of spring. So it has quartz, citrine, and yellow jade provide a pastel palette, while focal points include 2 pairs of handmade lampwork glass flower buds and a carved golden quartz leaf pendant. Crystal coins and glass accents round out the colorful assortment, finished by a selection of copper finish findings and garden themed motifs. So as usual, if you're a subscriber, you will get 30% off at their sister store, and you can also enter what you create from that month in a monthly contest to receive a gift card, a $50 gift certificate to their sister store, Bead Box Bargains. So that is a lot of fun to do, and this month we get 19 items in here. The shipment value is $65. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and get started here. Okay, number one, we have a 14.5 inch strand of 8mm violet dyed round beads. And let's see what that looks like, shall we? That is pretty. Look at that. These are really nice. Violet quartz. Okay, number two. Number two is 1 meter 5 by 12 mil steel Luma China jewelry chain. Well, this is different. Some stuff all out of the bag there. Okay. Let's get that off here. What is that? Okay. Get in a little closer for you. Okay. So this is really nice. It's kind of like a bulkier chain. And it is pretty long, as you can see there. It almost reminds me of paper clips. I don't know if you can see that very well, but this is very nice. One of the more bulkier chains that I've seen in the Bargain Bead Box, but really pretty. Look at that. Very pretty. Number three, I'm not going to open this. Number three is a 30-piece 40mm steel eye pins, an antique copper finish. Okay. Number four. 4 is 34 by 9mm carved golden quartz leaf pendant. There you go. Okay, I don't know what is flying out of these bags, but it is. Okay. Let's just get that up. So this is pretty. Where is, oh, okay. So it's carved on both sides. You have your pre-drilled hole right there. Let's see if I get a different background so you can see it a little bit better, because it's light. There we go. And let's see, this is about, yeah, more than 1 inch long. It's a nice size. It's pretty. So, yeah, quartz leaf pendant. That is pretty. Number five. Number 5 is approximately 8 inch strand, 6mm spiral faceted crystal coin beads in lavender. These are pretty. Should I get in a little closer? Okay. Yeah, that's good. So these are pretty. They're faceted, but yet it's the side right there. They're really pretty. These are different. Okay. Number 6. Number 6 is approximately 8-inch strand, 6mm spiral faceted crystal coin beads in lavender again. It's a different, definitely different shade of lavender. It's pretty, like a milky shade of lavender. Faceted, which gives it that nice sparkle. These are cute. So they'll look good together. Seven is a 2-piece 41 by 29 filigree flower focal lengths, and these are really pretty. Look at this. Gosh, where's flying out of these bags? Look how gorgeous these are. So vintage looking, antique, vintage looking. I guess they mean the same thing. But these are just gorgeous. You can use them sideways. There you go. It's the back. Wow. It's just gorgeous, and it's going to look really pretty with all this lavender here. Wow. Look at that design in there. These are super cool. Number 8. I'm going to open it up over here in case I got stuff that spills out. Sorry. Okay. Alright, here we go. So number 8 is 4 sets of 20 by 17 flower toggle clasp. Wow, these are pretty. I don't know how they find all this pretty stuff. Look at that. Actually, I might use this one, something I'm making right now. I'm just ready to put a clasp on, which is this right here. So I think this will go really well with that. How perfect is that? These are just adorable. And look at that. Look at it's a rose. Well, a flower. So cute. With the little leaves on there. So cute. Okay, what am I on now? That really got me distracted. I think I'm on 9. Yeah, 9. 10 piece. Yeah, 10 piece. 15 by 5. 15.5 by 10 mil leafy bracelet lengths. Oh, let's see this. Oh. Look at these. These are pretty. Carved on both sides like that. Wow. They match everything else really well. So pretty. Again, you can use it both ways, sideways, up and down there. Okay. Number 10. Oh, this is pretty. Yes, more stuff falling out. This is pretty. So number 10 is a 19 by 31 3D leaf bracelet pendant link. Look at that. How interesting is that? Look at the detail. How it's carved out there. There's your hole. There's the back. It's got a little built-in bail up here also. So you can use it either way. It's just gorgeous. Look at that. And it is a nice size. And I always like to pull out my ruler once in a while. Yeah. Just so we can get a sense of size. That is cool. 11 11 is, get it open first. These are pretty, wow. 11 is 2-piece, 10.5 by 12 mil lampwork glass flower bud beads in lavender. Well, that was a lot to say. But these are so cute. Look at that. Should I get in a little closer? Actually, little holes there. So cute. Like tiny little pumpkins. It's really cute. Okay, number 12. 12 is a 2-piece, 12.5 by 12 lamp work. Glass beads again. Just making sure there's nothing on them before I set them out on this mat. Magenta. So we got our purple here, well, lavender. We got our magenta. How cute. My fingers cover everything up. And these are really cute. I don't know where they find this stuff. 13, approximately 15-inch strand of 4 mil cat's eye glass bicone beads in spring green. Haha, there we go. That's pretty. It's more like a milky type bicone bead. Pretty. Look at that. Really pretty. Nice pop of green in there. Okay, 14. Now I got some out from another kit. These are shaped a little different now. I'm not going to pull them all out. 14 is 10-piece, 15 by 9 mil pressed glass leaf beads in Citrine AB. And the AB stands for Aurora Borealis, which gives it that colorful coating on top. There you go. So it has the carving on both sides. These are really pretty. I had some other ones from another kit here I'm getting ready to use that I had laying out right here. Here it is. Are these pretty? It's from an older kit. Shaped differently. Oh, here's one. It's a little different too. Oh, these are pretty. Okay. 15. 15 is approximately 7-inch strand, 10 mil pink quartz dyed round beads. Okay. Another nice pop of color. Look how pretty that is. Definitely pretty for May. So pretty. It's pretty shades. Gorgeous. Okay, 16. 16 is a 15-inch strand of 6 mil yellow jade dyed round beads. Okay, there we go. Pretty. Everything will fall into color. Look at that. It just all goes, you know. Look at that. I love this cream with the pink, the lavender there, and the magenta. So pretty. And you put a little. Look at that. How it all just blends in. Just blends in. Gorgeous. Somebody, whoever. I mean, I've never talked with anyone from the company, but I can tell I've been getting the Bargain Bead Box for a year and a half, 2 years, that whoever puts these together, whoever color coordinates them, my background, I've been a hair and makeup artist all my life, that's my background, but I can tell whoever does this has maybe a similar background to me, because my specialty was hair color, so you really have to know how to, that just goes. Their kits just go so well with their color themes. So let's see. I think I'm on number 17 now. Yeah. Okay, so this is Yellow Jade, I believe. Yep, Yellow Jade. Okay, cool. And 17 is 7.5-inch strand of Citrine heated chip beads. Oh, I don't have many chip beads. Oh, wow, look at that. And I'm going to go back out a little. Okay. That's pretty. These are interesting. You got a nice variety of different sizes on here. Wow. Very pretty. 18, we're almost done. 18 is 10 gram bag, 9mm, 3-leaf chevron bead caps. And these are pretty. Here we go. It's a nice size. A little on the large size. Which I don't have many of these. They're usually very tiny. Look at that. It's pretty. Okay. We got that. I'll leave those there. And then 19 is a 10 gram bag of 11 by 13 mil wavy leaf spacer beads. These are nice. These are heavy. Look at that. And they're the same on both sides. You got your nice hole in there. There you go. And that's it, folks, for this month's Bargain Bead Box. Look at this. Look at these colors. I just love these. These are just, wow. These are so cool. You can even use this maybe a little bracelet, focal. So this is it. Thank you for taking time for watching my video. And check out my other videos. I just put a beautiful crystal beaded bracelet tutorial up. That's gorgeous. And if you get a chance, take a look at our shop, the Beaded Jewel Store, beadedjewelstore.com. And that is, I think that's it. So have a great day, everybody. Great week. And we will see you again very soon for one of our great videos. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.